Hola beauties, welcome to Lotus Makeup YouTube channel. This is a girl Gurishkar and today's video I'm here to teach you all how to create a super beginner friendly blue smoky eye look for your night party glam, and this look is gonna make your eyes and you stand out. So if you want to know how I create this glam look using some of my favorite Lotus products, then please keep on watching. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the eyes today, and for that I'm gonna use the Lotus Eco Stay palette in the shade Moonlight. So you see I've already prepped my lids with some concealer so that the eyeshadows stick and stay all night long. Further, to start the smoky madness, I'm going to pick that black eyeshadow on a precision blending brush. Make sure you're limiting the placement of the black shadow only towards your outer corner. Don't take it all the way in. Smoky eyes for the night are like a real classic deal. You can just never go wrong with that. And once you're happy with your placement of the black that has to be in the outer corners in sort of a slanted shape, then go ahead with a clean blending brush and start buffing it out. Make sure there's no product on the brush already and use soft circular motions. Take your time with blending because darker colors like black, blues, purples and stuff like that, they usually tend to be slightly more testing when it comes to blending. So make sure that you're patient with the blending bit for that flawless fade. And as a result of our patient blending, you see that fade, you see that beautifully smoked out black shadow. That's our result. Honestly, blending is not as tough as people make it to be. You just have to make sure you're holding the brush from quite a distance. Don't hold it from here, then you're gonna get like a messy blend. Hold it from here very light-handedly and just very softly scratch the edge of the shadow, and then you'll get the blend of your dreams. Alright, and I'm gonna pick this gorgeous blue shimmer shade and apply it in the center of my lid space. I'm not using any blending motions here, if you see. So to make the most out of your shimmer shadows, place them and just slightly sweep your brush like so to get the maximum reflexive pigment out of that. I hope my beginner babies are following through. Again, press, sweep, press, apply, sweep. You'll get the most beautiful reflexive pigment. Honestly, blending blues and blacks can be really challenging, but with this palette, it blended in like a dream. Now to further prime the skin and create that barrier between the skin and foundation, I'm going to use a primer. Here I'm using the Lotus Eco Stay Insta Smooth Perfecting Primer. It's basically a silicone based primer and it's really going to help mattify the T-zone, especially around the nose area and the cheeks right here. This will make sure that all the oils are kept at bay and your face does not turn overly greasy or shiny throughout your night. That, my loves, is a full coverage foundation, especially with the I'll really use like the tiniest amount. So as the foundation lays beautifully on the skin, I'm gonna go off camera and add just a tad bit of concealer and we'll be right back. Alright, I'm back in concealer, and to set the face I'm gonna use the Lotus Eco Stay Ideal Finish Pressed Powder. This one is in the shade Royal Ivory. Time to add some color back to our face with some blush. For that I'm using the Lotus Eco Stay Powder Blush in the shade Caffeine Love. And there's truly nothing like too much blush when you're going for a party, huh? Lastly, to complete the eyes, gonna add some black kohl just halfway through my lower lash line to really tie the look together. I absolutely love how the eyes are looking. I'm just going to give my lashes a generous coat of mascara with the Lotus Botanical Eco Stay Long Lasting Mascara. Love the fact how the wand is so precise and not like unnecessarily fat. So you're not going to mess it around when you're applying your mascara. And lastly, to complete the look, I'm going to go ahead with a peachy pink lipstick. The one I'm picking is the Lotus Butter Matte Eco Stay Lipstick. This one is in the shade Peach Pomelo. And to nudify the lip a tad bit, I'm going to use the Lotus Pure Colors Matte Lipstick in the shade Perky Peach. Now that right there is the perfect peachy nude lip to complement this look. And that's all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and caught up on a couple of tricks here and there. And if you happen to recreate this look, don't forget to tag me, and Lotus Makeup would love to see your recreations. Until next time, see your beauties.